5 secrets of parenting, which I'm going to share with you today in this video for many of the parents where the children are going to be at home throughout the day. But we can take that as an opportunity and a challenge to help build a strong and a wonderful, lovable relationship with your child, wherein which they start listening to you. So that is this 5 secrets in a most relaxed and an effortless way to get things done from your child. So the first foremost secret which I want to share with you is spending quality time. So when I mention quality time, many of you think about like different activities which you have to do with them. No. Whenever I say a quality time, it means both the person are interacting and communicating with each other and finding it with so much fun. For example, when you are having a lunch time or a dinner time together, you're just eating and talking about the food and how you like this food, and you are interacting between each other is so fun that you like or you don't like, but still you're eating the food. Make the conversation a little funnier so that it becomes more connected. Second thing is you can read together, where you can read 4-5 lines and your child can read 4-5 lines, and try to make gesture where your child feels more happy to spend that reading time with you. So quality time means where you and your child want to repeat that activity of spending time together again and again. If the child says, I don't want to spend time with you, then that means you are actually repelling your child, correcting your child, or putting them down that the child does not want to spend time with you. A quality time on a regular basis, if a parent is going to spend with the child will want it more and more. So I can give you tips like eating together, having any time in the morning, breakfast or dinner. Second, reading together, having a play time together like playing a football or a small badminton ball or playing a chess, where you and your child have an interesting, funny conversation between each other. Second thing which you should be doing as a parent is this holidays you can take opportunity to build something called confidence in your child through actions which happens on a day-to-day basis. How? By building the independence, the muscle of confidence directly develops internally. So how do you do that? Making the child do things for themselves which they have the capability to do. Like if they ask for a water, you can tell them there is a water bottle, there is a tumbler, you can go help yourself. If they say they are hungry, come, the food is here, I'll give you a plate. So if they are at an age level where they can help themselves go take simple tasks for themselves, like taking a toys, taking a book, going out, putting a shoes, keeping things back in the shelf, these are all some of the daily tasks which the child can do for themselves and help themselves, which is going to internally make them feel, hey, I can do for myself. I'm not dependent on anybody. I know what I want and I can go and help myself. So this kind of feeling you have to bring in the child by allowing them to do for themselves. During school time, many the times I have seen the parents keeping things in the bag and pushing them to keep all of the things inside the bag, or trying to keep all the lunch bag inside. Keeping the lunch bags, everything inside, you keep it and you give readily into the child's hand because you had a time constraint. Now that the time constraint is not there, you can help your child to become more independent and confident. This is the second important value or secret which you can practice during the summer holiday. Third one is about, this is a time where you can choose to create clear boundaries. You can have clear boundaries. I wouldn't say rules, clear boundaries. Boundaries in the sense, you can start cultivating the habit of whenever there is a food time, there is no TV time. At least one time in a day we are going to practice. During lunchtime, there is no TV that you're going to watch. You're going to eat without TV. There is a digital detox time, wherein which at least 1 or 2 hours in a day, all the members in the family will not touch the mobile. How it sounds? It sounds funnier and little challenging also. Why don't you try one day or 2 days and see that your child will love to follow this boundary if you are going to make it clear and implementing it on a daily basis. Whenever there is a reading or writing or study time, no play time. Play time has a limitation where you can play till the evening, not till the night. So set your boundaries clear and convey them on a daily basis so that the children understand and imbibe inside themselves that I know the boundaries. Okay, so these are the 3 important things. We have 2 more important parts, that is handling them with patience. You know what? throughout the day when they were going to school, it was very difficult for you to handle them without stress or without angry. So becoming patient was very struggling because there was a time constraint to send them to school, bring back from the school, finish the homework, all that. But now, this holidays where the parent can choose to convey or communicate with the children with more patience and acceptance. In the last video, I have spoken a lot about accepting your child, making them feel safe and not feel fear about you. So patiently, when you're going to address them, you will stop complaining, saying that my child does not listen to me. Most of the time, the child does not listen to you because you are always shouting at them, putting them into a fearful zone that they will imbibe only if I raise my voice. No, they are not imbibing. In fact, they are increasing the repulsiveness because of more fear which you are imposing on them. Okay, so help yourself to handle your child with patience and acceptance. Last but not least, consistency. Consistency is a key for the success in all the secrets which I told you. Whether it's going to be like giving them independence or setting clear boundaries or being patient, it all requires consistency. So if you are going to follow any one rule for the day, today I'm going to give the child some of the important boundaries. That is my focus and I'm going to be consistent. Tomorrow, you can choose to handle every situation by being patient. The third day, I'm going to give my child the opportunity to become independent. Now, you can repeat the cycle again from the 4th, 5th, 6th day. So what happens is, at least weekly twice, you're giving them some of the values of independence, some of the values of spending quality time. So how it sounds. And you can also be little stress-free. You don't have to think following all the points on the same day. So this summer, I want all the parents to get connected with your child, which is most important job in your life more than your work or any other thing. Connecting with your child, connecting with them and helping a strong bonding is what going to make your child successful in their own life.